Hello guys, good morning. Today I'm showing to all of you guys the one that I bought from Timo. This is very nice flower because there's a little bit extra with solar, and I will put this one guys on the pot so that it, because this flower or this plant doesn't give flower all season. It's just only one season, once a year. So I put another extra flower so that this one it looks more, it to enhance the beauty of the plant, and it looks also beautiful because there is a light. See, so I'll just put in here. Yan. Like this. See, like that guys. I'll put in here guys. So the solar facing to the sun. Yes, let's see. Is this on? On. That is on. Yeah, that is on. Yes, I think this one also is on, off, on. Oh, okay, I will turn it on. Turn it. So let's see. Yeah, there's another one. Different colors guys. See, this is purple. Yes, I will try to put it here guys. Yeah, that one guys. And here, so guys, lagay ko lang siya dyan. So, ganun yun. Spread mo lang. Spread. I-spread siya. I-spread. I-spread mo siya. This one is not expensive, guys. Yeah. So, yan. Yan siya, guys. Okay. Yan. Now, the other one. Oh. Ano nangyari nito? What happened to this? Okay. Ano sa? Okay. Oh my goodness me, what happened to this plant? Namatay guys. Namatay yung plant. Oh. Oh no. This one will die. Mahal. This is very expensive, guys. That is, ah. Okay. This one, guys, red. Yeah. I like this. Then I will show you tonight, because tonight, yes, ilaw ni siya tonight. Yes. Yes, like this. Yes. Lagay mo lang siya dyan. Pero may handle pala yan siya, guys. Ito. Kasi yan. Lagay niya siya dyan. Yan. Ngayon, ilagay mo to, ganun. Ganun yan siya. Ganun siya dito. Tapos ilagay mo yan siya. Yan na siya, guys. Yan. See? Ilagay mo siya dyan. Dyan. Tapos isa. See ya. Ito na naman. Nilagay na siya. Ayan. Ngayon, last. Okay. Yan siya, guys. Yan. See? How beautiful. Yes. Ah. Wala na pala. Okay. Okay. So, ito na, guys. See? Nice, 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 nice. Look, 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 look. Look at that. See? 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 Light na siya, guys. Night time. Yes. See you next video, guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo ang result. Guys, yun ang resulta, guys. See? But tonight, I will show you kung yung resulta sa light niya. Kasi yung umiilaw yan eh, different colors. So, tingnan natin. Pakita ko sa inyo. Okay, see you next video, guys. Bye-bye. Guys, ito na ang result sa binili ko sa Timo. Look at that, guys. Very beautiful. Nilagay ko sa pot. Look at that one. Nice, no? Nice, nice, nice. I love, love, love it. Ay, patayin ko yung ilaw, ha? Turn off the light, Jeremy. Here, Jeremy B, please. Turn off the light. Turn off the... Wow! Ang ganda! Ang ganda-ganda! Hala, ang ganda, no? Wow! Ang ganda talaga, guys. Ito ang resulta, guys. Look at that. Napakaganda sa mga bulaklak. Ang ganda di eh paano mas ano siya pagpatayin, maklaro yung ano oh. Oh. Ah. Ganda oh. Ay, naku, ang galing. Ang galing. Wow, wow, wow. Mga azalea. Wow. Ang ganda oh. Wow. Okay guys, yun lang guys. See you next video. Please click subscribe my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. Cordapia in Australia. Bye-bye.